Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop mail showing in the Siri search on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on the mail. Once you're here, tap on the Siri and search, and as you can see while searching you have this show up and search. So now if you swipe down and go to the search, you are going to find mail right here. If you don't want to have it, just switch it off, and now you are no longer going to get the mail in Siri and search. Let me show you. As you can see now we do not have mail in the Siri search. So once again, where you can find it, so open main settings, swipe down, tap on the mail, tap on the Siri and search, and make sure that show up and search is no longer on. So now this is off, now it's on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.